Alright, welcome once again to my TikTok page. Today we'll continue with our discussion on infertility. But for this particular section, we'll talk about the prerequisite for pregnancy to occur. Prerequisite for pregnancy to occur. In other words, the things you need to possess for conception to take place. As simple as that. So 1, regular ovulation. Ovulation is simply the release of eggs from the ovaries. And every 14th day of the menstrual cycle, these eggs are released from every woman. So for a woman to get pregnant, this is the first thing the woman must experience. So that is regular ovulation. Secondly, the woman must have a patent and a functional tubes. Patent and functional tubes. So the tubes are referring to the fallopian tubes. And that is where the egg will pass or will migrate. All right. And if the egg is lucky to be met by a sperm, it will then migrate as a fertilized ovum and then get implanted into the uterus. So again, before pregnancy can occur, there must be a patent fallopian tube. Third, there must be a normal uterus. Normal uterus. Some uterus, sometimes for those who want to do family planning, we sometimes turn the uterus so that implantation cannot occur, or so that implantation, that's the word, cannot take place. All right. So we must make sure that you have a normal uterus. Then the fourth one that sometimes people don't look at is what we call the normal semen parameters. Normal semen parameters. We are referring to the sperms produced by the male or by the male partner. All right. And sometimes it is not in the right amount, or the quality is low, or for some reasons is not able to fertilize an egg. So these ones have to also be analyzed before we can place our hand on what could be the possible cause of somebody's infertility or a couple's infertility. Then last but not the least, you must have a regular unprotected sexual intercourse. Regular unprotected sexual intercourse. And by regular, I mean 3 to 4 times in a week. 3 to 4 times in a week. So with these, if you meet all these parameters, then you should be able to get pregnant. But now, if any of these parameters is not being met, then we can have an issue, which we'll talk about in the next section. So stay tuned, follow, and let's talk more about this. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment section, and let's get started. Peace out and see you in my next video.